Introducing the Lyles by BRM Homes LLC. Open concept features a fireplace, 15 flat bar island and walk-in pantry. Separate guest suite on the main includes a walk-in closet and private bath. Spacious laundry room. Drop-off/catch all station plus mud seat. Owner's suite on the main boasts a giant walk-in closet, shower, and double sink vanity. Upstairs features 2 additional spare bedrooms, full bathroom plus a bonus room. Easthaven Subdivision offers a not-so-average community pool and clubhouse.